If you thought film festivals are just about showcasing films and appreciating them, then you're wrong. Prudent saw some bunch of people from Orissa dressed in a particular way and singing with dhol before anyone could realize they were promoting their film Sala Buddha, The Stupid Old Man. Our field reporter Rohit Vadkar along with video journalist Dinesh Karpe spoke to P. Mantu Mohapatra, production designer, on the film and the innovative way of promoting it.
Welcome, sir. My hero.
Title called Sala Buddha, the movie, and something about this movie as well.
What happened? Sala Buddha, it means there's a relation between the grand and the JJ and the grandfather.
Yeah.
We normally do with Sala, JJ. Daddy ka daddy ho ya mummy ka daddy, which is a relation. It is a very affectionate relation. And Sala, it means supposed to be, sometimes it is just very lovable term.
Okay.
So, this movie writer is my father, and he's a senior most writer of Odisha, and he's getting so many awards. He's written so many books, and all title is Sala Buddha. This is one of the stories, Sala Buddha.
Okay, great.
And with respect to all over the world, old, retired senior citizens, it's a debut to senior citizen of the world, because always senior citizens are neglected. But every family you get a senior citizens, but we are neglected. And when we are in problem, they are the only person to solve the problem.
This behind what the whole gang of yours is the cast and crew of the movie. Okay. Whose idea was it to have this kind of a marketing here at the International Film Festival? Because it's quite an unusual thing which I just saw, which even my viewers would agree to.
The whole and soul behind my brother Mr. Chintu Mohapatra. He is the man behind it. He is a senior most line producer of Manirat Films, and his work as a vice president with us. And whole background is. We get all our crew with us, with the big boss. A lot of fun, having enjoying. And what happened? This is a very rare kind of thing for my people who since 30 years with us. Our previous film in 26-year-old Bukha, it's called International Award Fair. So this dress code, customs, everyone, it's by my brother Mr. Chintu Mohapatra.
Premanand is not a film fraternity member, neither he is a die-hard movie fan. But his presence at the IFFI complex every day might surprise you all. Premanand has designed a stall displaying wooden musical instruments in the old GMC complex, ranging from chipli to tal and tabla to dhol. You can see everything made of bamboo.
When Premanand Mahadev Satarkar realized he could not walk due to polio, he didn't let this setback take over his ambition to do something big.
पयलीं हांव आकाश करतालो मागीर राजू देसाय प्रतिश्ठान आसा न्ही तेणी म्हाका फुडें काडलो म्हणजे ते एक वाद्य हाडून दिवपा लागलो मागीर ती हांव तशी करपा लागलो हांव एकदां पयलीं पळयता सारकें मागीर लक्षांत घेता सारकें आनी मागीर करूंक बसता मागीर जाता तें म्हाजे कडेन ते सगळें बांबू पासून करता हांव सगळें तें सगळें राजू सरान केलां राजू सर ते सगळें तेणेंच केलां तें
Rajendra Desai of Desai Pratishthan has been the support behind Premanand's dream of displaying his art at IFFI.
देसाई प्रतिष्ठान ही एक एज्युकेशन फिल्डांत काम करणारी संस्था आज एक असो एक प्रकार घेवन हांगा आयल्या प्रेमानंद सतरकार फिजिकली हँडिकॅप म्हणजे हो झाकिल्लो भुरगो आशिल्लो ताची जी कला आसा ही म्हाका हांवें त्याच वेळार जाणिल्ली की जी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाची कला आसा. ताका सांगलें हांवें हो प्रोजेक्ट सोडून म्हजो एक प्रोजेक्ट आसा तूं करूं शकता. मोठ्या आनंदान ताणें तें सगळें स्विकारलें आनी हांव ताका एक एक वाद्य दीत गेलो. ताणें म्हाका रिस्पॉन्स इतलो बेस्ट दिलो कारण देसाई प्रतिश्ठानान ताका इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सगळें दिल्लें आसा पूण स्वता करप ताणें आसा. 2 वर्सांच्या कालावधीत ताणें जें पळय निर्माण केलां तें अद्भुत आसा. तो आतांच तयार जाला की एक 4 भुरग्यां आपूण तयार करूं शकता अशें म्हणून ट्रेनींग दिवं शकता. तें ट्रेनींग दिवन जेन्ना पळय ताका इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सगळें हांव करून दितलो पूण तें जर ताणें वेवस्थीत ट्रेनींग दिलें आनी ते जर भुरगे एक्सपर्ट जाले जाल्यार लोकांची इच्छा जी आसा हे आपल्याक मेळटलें काय म्हणून आतां आमी हें विकूं शकनात पूण ते ताज्या नंतर आमी एक विचार करूं शकता की जेजी जर क्वॉन्टिटी चड जाली आसत जाल्यार लोकांची मागणी हांव फुलफील करूं शकतलो ताज्या माध्यमांतल्यान.
With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Rohit Wadkar, Prudent.
Cine Still Photographers Association of Mumbai displayed their work at an exhibition at IFFI complex. ESG Vice Chairman Vishnu Wagh inaugurated the exhibition on Saturday.
Photo exhibition put up by Still Cine Photographers Association of Mumbai. It's been a very unique exhibition of photographs taken by the still photographers. As we all know, still photography is an integral part of film production, and perhaps apart from the director and the other technicians, still photographer is the only other witness who is throughout the journey of cinema until the shooting is complete. And it becomes very essential to catch the moods of that scene, catch them in a particular frame, think about the use of those photographs for publicity and all. And I think we've had great still cine photographers in the past. And my friend Ramakant Munde and all his other friends have put up this exhibition. When they came for a request for a space, I readily agreed. I said, Kala Academy or whether it's Inox, it's available for you. You can put up your work here. And I think the photographs are quite trendy and catchy. I congratulate all of them and I wish that their association comes up with such other projects in near future.
X, the film is an upcoming Indian experimental film directed by a team of 11 filmmakers. It will feature actor-director Rajat Kapoor in the lead. Richa Shukla, one of the actors of the film, spoke about film's basic plotline to our field reporter Sachin Surlikar and video journalist Chetan Gawas.
44th इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल सद्याक चालू आसा आनी जायते फिल्म्स नवीन फिल्म्स हांगासर येता. फिल्म बाजार जो सेक्शन आसा खऱ्यांनी खूब इंटरेस्टिंग आनी खूब बरो सेक्शन आसा. हांगासर नवी जी फिल्म्स आसा ती प्रमोट जावपा खातीर ती विकपा खातीर बाजार भरिल्लो आसा. आनी तशेंच एक फिल्माचो ट्रेलर हांगासर आयज दाखयता एक्स आनी ह्या मुवीचे एक्ट्रेस म्हज्या वांगडा आसा रिचा शुक्ला मॅम. हाय मॅम, हाव आर यू?
Hi, I'm very well, thank you.
And welcome to Goa, sir.
Thank you, I'm really glad to be here. I joined the film career because I grew up surrounded by the arts. I was born into a family of musicians and artists, and I developed a passion at a very young age for acting and dance. I learned Kathak starting at the age of 5 years old, and I did lots of theatre and drama growing up, so I've always had a very strong passion and love for the arts.
And your accent, English accent is very good. I think so you stay in California.
Yes, I was born and raised in California, San Francisco and Los Angeles also, and I've been living in India for the past 3 months.
Past 3 months?
Yes.
Nice. And tell me something about your movie, already shoot and it's in post-production. So what is the movie all about?
So X the film, it's actually a very interesting concept. It's one of its kind. It's being worked on by 11 different filmmakers at this moment. Filmmakers that are from Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. And each segment of the film it's directed by a different filmmaker, one of the 11 filmmakers. And it's different from an anthology in the sense that it's all surrounding one central character. And the lead actor of the film, his name is Rajat Kapoor. You might know him from Monsoon Wedding, yeah. So he's the lead character of the film, and it's basically a journey he goes through where he meets a girl who reminds him of his 11 past ex-girlfriends. So each segment of the film is about one of his ex-girlfriends, so I play one of the ex-girlfriends.
Wow. Okay, 11 filmmakers and one film. It will be a masterpiece. So how was your experience working with 11 different filmmakers?
It was a really, really awesome experience because this is my first time working on an Indian film, as I've done lots of work in the US. And just the fact that I got to work with 11 filmmakers rather than just one, it was a really great experience, and everyone was so nice, so organized, really professional, and everyone has a unique thing that they brought to the film. So it's really interesting to see how people from different artistic backgrounds came together for this film. There's a lot of arguments, disagreements, but that's all part of the creative process.
And before we end this bulletin, we bring to you our video of the day, clipping of the musical show at Kingfisher Village at IFFI. Have a nice time. Goodbye.
Tuji makanaka, mozo corinato, poi le mazze un taka, calizzata bito, ruro e dai makapo del koshi kontentaka, moga grau un gato. Adi moga mi kottali, dogai con kandara, sugirada mi nazzali, ci bazon gitara. Kani habota un sueño lo que ranzo akira salta me paso con uno le visa cantará un poco
Kali tili rokkne kandi tera picha kiya tu tokne kandi kali tili rokkne kandi tera picha kiya tu tokne kandi mere right mera tu hai dil light mera tera rasta jo rokne kandi tere doghi mujhe rokne kandi tera picha kiya tu tokne kandi kali tili rokkne kandi tera picha kiya tu tokne kandi
no debí la mirada